Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are making chawanmushi. Chawanmushi is a silky savory egg custard often enjoyed with sushi. It's a delightful dish that combines the smooth texture of egg with various ingredients, offering a gentle yet rich flavor. So let's start cooking! First, let's prepare the shiitake mushrooms. We are using dried shiitake this time, so we'll need to rehydrate them. Fill a bowl with enough water to cover the shiitake mushrooms and let them soak until they become soft. Cut the chicken tenderloin into small pieces and season. We're using a tenderloin, but thigh or breast meat works too. Let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, let's mix the eggs. Since we'll be pouring them into containers afterward, it's best to use a vessel that makes pouring easy. Also, mix the eggs as if you were cutting through the whites to keep the mixture smooth. Add water and white soy sauce to the egg and gently mix them together. Be careful to mix gently to avoid creating foam. Boil about 2 centimeters of water in pot. Make sure the pot is large enough to fit your container and can be covered with lid. While waiting for the water to boil, add the chicken and ginkgo nuts to your container. Set aside the mushroom for now. Use a fine sieve to pour the egg mixture into the containers, being careful to avoid overflowing. Once the water boils, place the chawanmushi in it. Slightly offset the lid and steam over low to medium heat for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the shiitake mushrooms. If they sink, steam for an additional minutes or so. As a side note, avoid using maitake mushroom in chawanmushi as they prevent the egg from setting due to an enzyme they contain. We are using frozen mitsuba leaves this time, so we added them at this stage, but if you are using fresh ones, it's also fine to add them at the end. After placing the shiitake mushroom on top, slightly offset the lid again and contain to steam over low to medium heat for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, your chawanmushi is ready. Be careful when removing them from the pot as they will be hot. The custard should be smooth with a burst of flavorful broth. Think of it as a warm, savory pudding. Let's look over what we used today. Thank you for joining us in making chawanmushi today. We hope you enjoy the smooth and savory delight of this traditional Japanese steamed egg custard. Remember, you can also add other ingredients like shrimp or scallops to your chawanmushi for an even more flavorful experience. If you like this recipe and our video, please give us a thumb up, subscribe for more authentic Japanese cooking tutorials, and share your chawanmushi creation in the comment. We're excited to hear how you personalize your dish. Until next time, happy cooking and enjoy exploring the delicious world of Japanese cuisine. Bye bye!